Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 instant camera. This is basically a Polaroid camera. It also has a selfie mirror that comes with it. You can see an image of this particular camera right over here. It also has close-up lens attachment. This package contains instant camera, hand strap, close-up lens, sticker, AA battery hand and instruction manual. And that's more or less it. That's all the information you have here, other than the fact that this is a Polaroid camera. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what you find inside this particular box. This is of course the camera. I will come to it in a while. These are two AA batteries that comes with this particular camera. This is the lens attachment as mentioned earlier, the close-up lens attachment. And this is a strap, a lanyard for carrying this particular camera around. There are many documents here. This is the user manual. Everything that you want to know, it's listed over here. How to use, how to take care of this particular camera, it's listed over here. There's a sticker for Instax. This is a warranty card from Fujifilm. And then there are two more user manuals basically. I'm going to keep them over here. And this is a warranty card for this particular camera. So this is what the Instax Mini 9 camera looks like. You will notice that this comes with a lens attachment. You can press this button over here to to zoom in basically. This is a selfie mirror on top as well. This comes with a flash attachment right over here as you can see, and the battery. Let's see where the battery goes in. So the raw media for this particular camera will go in over here, and then you shut it down, and then you click the photos basically, and let's see where the battery goes in. So yeah, there you go. Let me just put in the batteries and show you how it works. See if this actually powers on. Okay, so I've inserted the battery, but unfortunately I can't show you what the picture looks like because I don't have the raw material required. So this is where the films will go in, or whatever media that this particular camera uses. And once you are ready, you basically click. This is the shutter button over. You basically click using this particular button and a photo will be developed instantly on this side. There are a lot of different light settings over here as you can see. There's one for bright sunlight, one for cloudy weather, one for indoors, etc. There are a lot of these options. And as I mentioned earlier, there is a zoom in attachment over here. Just all you have to do is press this button like so. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 instant camera. Thank you for watching.